Have you ever found yourself doing the same task over and over again? Well, with TeamWave's repeat task feature, you can now create a series of repetitive tasks and streamline your workload. To get started, head over to the Tasks tab in your project and find the task you want to repeat. Once you've located it, simply click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Repeat from the drop-down menu. From here, you can select how often you want the task to repeat, whether it's weekly or monthly, and choose the time you want it to occur. Once you've set the repeat details, just hit the save button and you're all set. Now, whenever the repeat date and time come up, TeamWave will automatically generate a new task for you, making it super easy to stay on top of your workload. And if you ever want to stop a repeating task, simply go to the task and into the repeat menu. Then hit remove. With TeamWave's repeat task feature, you can simplify your task management process and spend more time on the things that matter the most.